Google's anti-gravity have just released skills, and it is a cheat code if you know how to use them correctly.
Google just dropped a cheat code, and most people have no idea it exists.
Google have just released anti-gravity skills, and they have a couple of incredible benefits. First of all, when you create something excellent in anti-gravity, we can now make that super repeatable, which means that we can do it every single time on repeat consistently. On top of that, you're also going to save so much of your context window.
Anti-gravity skills let you build anything faster and better than everyone else. You create something excellent once, and it repeats perfectly every single time. Plus, you save money on AI tokens and can share your skills with your whole team instantly.
When using anti-gravity, if you use the skills. On top of that, it also becomes super shareable and very scalable, which means the skills that I build and I'm going to share in this video, I'm going to give you all of them so you can use them straight away. I'll put a link down below.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
But you can share it with your team, and it just makes all of the environments super scalable. You basically become, if you want to think about it this way, Tony Stark, and the skills are like the Iron Man suit. Now, if we think about it technically, well, skills are reusable packages of knowledge that extend what the agent can do. Each skill can...
But here's the thing. Anti-gravity skills work completely different from Claude skills, and that difference is everything.
This analogy is like a world-class chef, okay? And he's got a library of cookbooks. These are its skills, if you will. Now, when you ask Claude Code to do something, what it does is go to this beautiful library and grab that skill, and it reads the book. It reads what the skill says. And then once it's done that, based on the information that it read within the book,
Claude skills are like a cookbook. It reads the instructions, then does the work. Anti-gravity skills already have the code baked inside, ready to execute instantly. Claude must reason, write, and execute. Anti-gravity just reasons and executes.
Claude Code will then go and do it. So I'm a chef, I'm Claude Code, I've read the book, now I realize I'm going to run a Python script, I'm going to do something random, okay? But you think about it another way. You have yourself here, which is me in a tank top, and we give a command to Claude Code, and Claude Code reads the skill, the book, and then it does the actions itself. Whereas with anti-gravity, given the fact that it's an IDE, effectively when it activates a skill, what can happen here is that...
So now that you understand the difference, here's the first skill you absolutely need to build.
So the first skill I want you to create is the ability to create other skills. So here we go. We've got the anti-gravity skills creator. This document, by the way, is based on the information from Claude Docs on all the amazing stuff for creating best practice skills, as well as all the specifics for anti-gravity and the unique architecture.
This is the meta skill, the skill that builds skills. It's based on Claude's best practices and anti-gravity's unique architecture combined. Once you have this, you'll never write a bad skill again. Make it global so it works across all your projects.
For the skills there. So what I've done, I've created it. Very, very cool. All you're going to do is literally come down and create all of it like so. And then we're going to go ahead over to anti-gravity like so. And here we are in the environment. So I've created a sample project called Skill Master. Just open up a random folder.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory, it's a behind-the-scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
And then we're going to give it a prompt. And we're going to give it something like this. I'm going to say, hey there, I would like you to create for me a global skill called Gemini Skill Creator. And the idea of the skill is that you reference it anytime you're creating.
Now that your foundation is set, here's how you make everything you build look absolutely fire.
Which is going to be brand design. And we can actually use a framework that goes beyond the brand, which makes it way more consistent. So for example, in the brand design skill, we can actually create a unique architecture. So with this one, we have almost like a directory structure, where effectively what we have at the top here is the skill MD, which is whenever you're doing anything design, you can then decide which of the three, almost like sub-skills, if you like, you want to activate and leverage.
This skill creates a directory structure with sub-skills for design, frameworks, and copywriting. Your colors, fonts, tone of voice, all locked in permanently. The AI automatically knows when to invoke the right brand guidelines without you saying a word.
So we can have one for design, which colors, fonts, radii, make it machine readable. We have frameworks and coding rules for like what tech stacks we want to use, and then copywriting guidelines. So this is the bit where we could say, for example, add in, hey, if you're writing in the voice of, Glido, our speech to text startup, you could say, look, we want it to be these colors or write in this tone of voice. So it just knows automatically and dynamically when to invoke that.
But what happens when something breaks? That's where the final skill becomes your secret weapon.
Let's check this out. Can you see now, within the Scraping Reddit folder, we've got resources, right? We've got scripts. So the Python script is within this. So we're not saying, hey, it's like literally within that, right? So let's come over and create a brand new chat window, which I believe they might have changed where you do this actually. I think it is starting a conversation. Cool. So let's get rid of this and let's give it a prompt like, hey, can you just scrape for me the top 3 posts?
He built a Reddit scraper skill with executable Python inside it. Fresh chat window, no context, just asked it to scrape and it worked instantly. The script lives inside the skill and fires whenever you need it. This is automation on a whole different level.
Within the Singularity subreddit within the last 7 days. Awesome. Bam, send that one off, and then we can see if it actually goes ahead and uses, well, I know it will use our actual beautiful skill, but I've not told it to do that. It will just then actually have to decide whether it wants to use the skill or not. So let's have a look. It's analyzing whether the scripting is done there, analyzing skills.md, which is cool. So let's check it out. And it has decided to use the scraping Reddit thing. And again, it's got the description. Scripts are top or hot posts from specified subreddits.
Different. Now you've got the full SUI test framework. Time to build your own AI superpower system. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.